Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Groovology. I'm your host Arpandass, and in today's session we are going to talk about fulfillment. Okay, now what is fulfillment? So by fulfillment I mean delivering my product to my customers. Okay, now you can use fulfillment in three ways. Number one, you can use a thank you fulfillment. Number two, email fulfillment, and number three, membership fulfillment. Let me show you the mind map. Okay, so we will cover the product fulfillment in this video, and where I will cover thank you fulfillment, email fulfillment, and membership fulfillment. Okay, so let's begin with the thank you fulfillment. Now, in order to do the thank you fulfillment, you need to follow two steps. Step number one, you need to upload your products online in Google Drive or say in Dropbox, OneDrive, Mega, okay, on any Drive platform. And step number two is you need to link the product from online Drive to your thank you page. Okay, now let me show us demo about this. Let's go to GrooveFunnels and let's go to our Groove pages or sites which I have created in my last video. Click on Open Editor. And here we go. This is our lead magnet page, right? Now what happens when my audience comes and clicks on this download now button from this lead magnet page, a pop-up will come up where he need to fill his own details. Okay, then he will be redirected to our core offering page. And suppose he is not willing to take our core offering, he has to click on the no thanks button, and on clicking on no thanks he will be redirected back to a thank you page for our lead magnet. Let me show you that page again. Here we go. This is the thank you page for lead magnet. He will be redirected to this page, and here he will find this download now button. Okay, and I want when my user or my audience clicks on this download now button, he will be able to download my ebook. Okay, this is what I want. This is what I call a thank you fulfillment. By thank you fulfillment, my user needs to come to my thank you page and click on this button in order to get the product. Okay, now how will I do this? Okay, the first thing which I need to do, I need to go to my Google Drive. Okay, here we go. This is my drive, and in my Google Drive I need to upload my ebook. Okay, so I will click on new file upload, and I need to find my file. It's immune food solution, and here I need to go to this lead magnet, and I think this is the PDF. Yeah, this is the PDF. I will click on open. Look, the file is started to upload. Yeah, its upload is completed. Now let's click on refresh. Here we go, the file is ready. Now I need to copy the URL of this file and paste it to the download button in our thank you lead magnet page. Okay, this is the process. So now I will click on our ebook, which we got from the resource file from the IDPLR website. Okay, then here click on these three dots. You will find a share button. Okay, click on share. Now here you will find the get link, and just by default it is restricted. Only people added can open with this link. I don't want that. I want everyone to open this ebook. Okay, when someone comes to my thank you lead magnet page, he needs to click and he needs to download this page. Okay, so I will change to anyone with the link. Now here you will find your link. You need to copy this link. Okay, then come back to Groove pages, and to our download now button, click on this button and then click on configure. Go down. Now you need to click to URL, and you need to paste that link which I copied from my Google Drive, okay? And I have to click on update. Now once it's updated, I will click on save. Then I will click on publish. It will take some time to publish. So in the meanwhile, I want to explain you something. Suppose I have downloaded the lead magnet, okay? Now, when I download the lead magnet, it is a PDF file, and suppose the provider did not provide us with the Word file, so we cannot edit a PDF, right? So in order to edit the PDF, or let's say we want to enter our affiliate links in the PDF, so we need to edit that PDF. So what we will do, we will go to a website which is known as Sejda. Here you go, it's sejda.com. Come to this website and click on edit a PDF document. Then we need to upload a file. Suppose I'm uploading this only, and then click open. Now using this online PDF editor, you will be able to edit anything, okay? Suppose let me write anything, just show you. Yeah, you look, it's editable right now, and after editing you can click on apply changes and then download the file and again upload this file to the Google Drive, and again you need to copy the link from the Google Drive and paste it with the download your thank you pages download button, okay? This is the procedure we need to carry, and I have shown you that example. Now let me test it out once again. So let me go to GrooveFunnels, come here, click here and click on the link, and let me go to the home page first. And suppose my target audience comes and clicks on download now button. Here there's the pop-up. He need to enter his name. Let me give a valid email ID so that I will receive an email, okay? I will show you that as well. So let me give a valid email ID. Okay, then click on continue to address. It's $0 because it's a lead magnet. Enter anything over here and anything over here. Just fill out with random values. And then click on continue confirmation. Now here is the get free access. On clicking on this button, he should be redirected to our core offering, okay? Let's see. Yeah, it's the core offer. Now suppose my target audience did not go with the core offering, and suppose he clicks on no thanks. So on clicking on no thanks, he will be redirected to our lead magnet thank you page, okay? Here it is. Now if my audience clicks on this download now button, he should be able to download my PDF. Here we go. Here is the PDF. He will be able to download this by clicking over here, okay? This is how thank you fulfillment works. I have showed you like linking the online PDF with the thank you lead magnet page button. In a similar manner, you need to do this for your core offering part, like linking your core offering products with the thank you page for core offer. There you will find the download now button. You need to do the same procedure, as well as you need to follow the same procedure for our upsell page, okay? Like we need to upload all our things into Google Drive, then copy the link from Google Drive and come to say upsell thank you page, and there will be a button which says download the upsell. Then you need to click on this download button and configure and paste the link, okay? This is how a thank you fulfillment works. And if you ask me what is the benefit of using thank you fulfillment, I would say there is no benefit. There is only one advantage, that is it is easy to use, okay? You need not to do hardly anything because it's very simple, okay? And what is the disadvantage of using this? It is very unsecure, I would say. Okay, why? You will get to know when I talk about email fulfillment and membership fulfillment. Okay, now let's go back to my mind map. Let me close all these tabs. Okay, now let's go to mind map. So we have covered the thank you fulfillment so far. Okay, now we will talk about email fulfillment. So in order to do email fulfillment, you need to follow the 4-step procedure. Okay, firstly, you need to add a sender, then you need to add a list and tags, then followed by create a sequence, and finally create automations. Okay, so I will show you everything live. Let's go back to our dashboard, GrooveFunnels dashboard, and let's click here. Now let's go to email marketing. Okay, or you can also come to Groove Mail also. Okay, they're both the same thing. Now the first thing which we need to do is add a sender. So let me drag myself to the right end and just at the bottom of the screen. Okay, now in order to add a sender, you need to click on settings, then click on sender. Here you see I've already added a sender for myself. Okay, and I forgot to tell you one thing. Let me show you that first. When I completed my thank you fulfillment, you remember I entered a valid email ID. Okay, so that email ID should receive an email like he has completed the thank you page. Okay, here you go. Not this. Let me check. Spam. It will come. It's not arrived. It should come. Okay. Anyways, let me continue with email marketing now. Here you go. Click on new sender. Then you need to fill some information regarding the sender. Okay, you need to enter the sender identity. Okay, let me say my name. This is just for test purpose. Okay, and sender name also should match this identity. Now sender email, I will put my email over here. And reply email will be like when my audience replies to me, that email should be delivered to which email. So in order, so I will copy and paste the same email ID over here because I want my emails to come to this inbox only. And here is a default toggle button. If you want to keep this sender email as your default, then you need to on this toggle, else it should remain off. Okay, now you need to click on business information, and here is unsubscribe text. Write anything. So if someone clicks on this unsubscribe button, he will be opted out from your email list. Okay, the company name, let's say. Okay. After you complete this form, you need to click on save. Now you will find that this is the one I have just used. Now you will find that this verified, it says no. Okay, now I have to verify this. So for that, I will go to my inbox. Here we go. Look, the invoice of our lead magnet purchase just came right now. It says congratulations on your purchase, Immune Food Solution lead magnet. Okay, there are the form fields which I have filled. It shows the details all over here, and total price is $0 because of lead magnet. Okay, here is the mail which I received on filling the email IDs, on filling the form with the lead, that in that lead magnet. Okay, now let's go to promotion social. I should also receive another email from GrooveSell. regarding the email verification. Let me check spam. Here we go. Here is the mail, guys. Email verification. I will click here and you will find a verify button. You need to click on this button. It says verification is successful. Now go back to our Groove mail and let's refresh it once again. Now you see this verified tab changes to yes now. So our email ID is verified. Now we can use this email ID to send mails to our customers. Okay, this is the first step. Now the second step is creating a list. Okay, let's go to leads and here you will find list. Let me click on list and here is the list which I already have, and let me click another list. Like here is a new list button. You need to click over here and let's name our list as IFS. Okay, it's immune food solution. Description, let me write IFS all. Okay, it says everybody who maybe it's a free user or say core offer purchaser or say upsell a purchase or say entire complete purchaser. Okay, we'll keep everybody in a same list. So I wrote IFS all. Description, everybody is included. Okay, then click on create list. So I have created my list which says IFS all. Okay, here we go. Now so far I have no contacts, so that's why it's showing 0 over here. Now if you want to manually add some contacts, you need to go to leads. Okay, then click on new lead and enter some details, like say enter an email ID. Okay, then I will not fill this form. Go down and here you will find a button which says assign list. Here you need to choose which list you want to assign this user to. So let's assign to this IFS all. And here is another thing which says assign a tag, guys. So I will explain you what do you mean by a tag. So let's exclude the tag part right now and click on this create lead button. So I've just added this person, okay, into my list. Which list? The list which we have already created just now, that is IFS all. Now you will find active count to 1 because we have added that person in our list. Okay, now let's understand the difference between lead, not lead, it's list and tags. So we can think a list as our folder, okay, your desktop folder, and tags as our subfolder. Okay, let me explain you with easy manner. Let me come to my mind map. Let's create. Okay, suppose this is a list. Okay, within a list you will have many tags. Suppose this is tag 1, tag 2, and tag 3. You can have unlimited tags. Okay, I'm just showing you with 3 tags only. Okay, now let's think of a scenario. Suppose we have just created our list which is IFS all. Okay, so here I have included every member, okay, who are interested in our IFS product. Okay, be it a lead magnet or core offering or the entire package. So in IFS all is our, suppose this is a folder, and within this folder we need to have 3 separate subfolder. Okay, so I will create 3 subfolders, that is 3 separate tags. The first one which I will call is say lead magnet only. Okay, so by this tag I mean I will count all those people, okay, who have just got our lead magnet, not interested in our core offering and further upsell. Okay, then I will create another one tag which says suppose lead magnet plus core offering. Okay, and my last tag should be complete, say hot audience or complete audience. Okay, so by seeing on these tags, we can able to understand which audience comes to which category. Okay, so basically list and tags are used to categorize our audience. Okay, now it's simply, you can think like it's a sticky note. You need to stick it to a audience. Like we can say like he is a only lead magnet buyer. Just stick a sticky note to him with a lead magnet only. Similarly, you can segregate your audience with the help of list and tags. Okay, now let's go back to our dashboard. Click on tags and segments and click on tags. Here, let's create a new tag. Let's name the tag IFS only lead magnet. Okay, that means they have purchased or got only the freebie thing. And description, I will also write the same thing, or let me write only freebie. Okay, now if you want, you can add a category. Okay, like uh, let's create a category. Let's say IFS. Click on the plus icon. Now you will be able to choose your category. Okay, then click on create tag. Now remember, we have created a lead inside means the list which we have created, IFS all. Inside this list I have created one user, this one. So I will click on his name and then click on edit and then go down, and I will, let me drag myself to left corner, and now let me use this tag IFS only lead magnet. Okay, by this I will be able to understand that this person Deep Das has purchased, or I would say he has got or opted in for our only IFS lead magnet. He has not opted in for our core offering or upsell. So here I will come to a point like, since he has not purchased any of our offering, I will write some promotional emails and try to convince him to purchase my core offering. Okay, so this is okay. Then you need to click on the save, and I would say that this is the way you need to segregate your audience with the help of list and tags. Now let me show you the mind map. So in email fulfillment, I have covered like add a sender, then add list and tags. Now I will explain you like how to create sequence. Okay, let's go back. Here is our dashboard. Now click on campaign and then sequence. Now I already have two sequence with me. Now for you, there will be a clean slate, right? You need to click on new sequence and you need to enter the name of sequence. Okay, like see, I have my Groovelogy course where I have used a welcome plus delivery sequence and generally an upsell sequence. So for now, I want to deliver my product. Okay, so I will create a sequence. I will create two sequences. Number one will be just a welcome delivery, and number two will be like upsell. Okay, to those who have just purchased or who have just opted in only for a lead magnet. So let me do that first. Click on new sequence and let's write IFS welcome plus delivery. Let's add the same thing in the description as well. Click on create sequence. Hey guys, welcome back. I just switched my place because my battery was just about to die. So now I will show you like how to create a sequence. Okay, so here you will find add a trigger button. You need to click here, and now you need to choose. Okay, like if you want to select there are three options like tags, list and forms. So from here you need to choose any of these. Say I will choose the list, Okay, so because why I'm choosing the list, because this sequence which I'm creating is for delivering the product as well as the welcome email. Okay, so let me choose IFS all. Okay, and I would not choose IFS all, right, because I'm delivering only the lead magnets, so I will not use this. Okay, sorry, I will select category and choose IFS and then select on tags. Okay, so I will deliver and welcome those users who have just got our lead magnet. Okay, so for that I will click on IFS only lead magnet. So here you will find it says a lead is assigned tag. Okay, that is IFS only LM. Then I will click on done. So by creating this, I meant that you need to send the email to only those people who has a tag, say only lead magnet. Okay, so here you will find one in case of tags because we have just used tags, and then I will click on this send email, drag it down and bring it over here. Okay, now here will be the name of the broadcast which you want to do. I will say it's welcome plus delivery. Okay, then here in the gateway you need to click on Groove Mail Server, and here you have two options which sender you want to choose. So right now we have created this Arpandas, remember, so I will click on this, and here you will find the content part where you need to write the subject, preview and the email message. Okay, so for subject I would say, hey, a warm welcome from IFS team. Let's say preview, get yours now. Okay, so in the body part I will write say hi, then I will use the personalization which says, like, say first name, which will say like hi Arpan, hi Ram. Okay, then I will rather say like welcome to IFS membership. We are glad to have you in our platform, and surprise, surprise, here is your ebook on, let's say, IFS solution, anything. Okay, I'm just writing like this only. Here is your, I would rather say, not here is your, click here to download your ebook on IFS solution. Okay, now I will come here and select this click here part, then I will select on this chain icon. Here I need to place the URL. Okay, so I will go to my Google Drive once again because I don't have that URL with me. So let's go to, or do I have it over here? Can I go back? No. Let me go to Google Drive. Click on go to Drive. Let me click on my ebook. Here is the share button. Okay, click on share. So anyone with this link is okay. Now I have to click on this copy link, and let's go back to our Groove mail and just paste our link over here. Then we need to click on save. Okay, now this is the way we generally do email fulfillment. Okay, we are delivering our product in our by the help of our email only. Okay, so we are writing like, hi Ram, welcome to IFS membership, we are glad to have you in our platform. Surprise, surprise, click here to download your ebook on IFS solution. Okay, at last I will regards Arpan from IFS. Okay, now you need to go down and send status. You need to come here and click on active and then click on done. Okay, now by this what happened, I need to click on save. So by this, whenever my audience gets tagged with say only lead magnet, will receive a welcome email with the delivery. Okay, so we have just created this IFS welcome and delivery. Now I will show you creating another sequence for upsell thing. Okay, so I will click on new sequence and write IFS upsell, or I would rather say IFS core plus OTO, because my audience has neither bought the OTO or say core offering, so I need to upsell him to core as well as OTO. So I will copy this in the description. I will paste the same thing. Click on create sequence. Now I will add a trigger to. I will now select those people who are only opted in for our lead magnet. Okay, so for that I will come here, tags. I will choose my IFS category, and here it is, IFS only lead magnet. Okay, suppose I have many people in my list who have got this same tag, so all of them will get a mail. Okay, so now I will click on send email. Okay, drag down a bit. Yeah, now name of the broadcast, suppose this is our email one. Okay, so we need to convince our audience. Okay, because he has only opted in for our lead magnet. Now we need to upsell him to our core offering and OTO. So now we will do a series of promotional emails. Okay, so this is, let's say this is email number one. I will send from Groove Mail server, and I will choose my sender, which I have already shown you like how to create. And in the subject and preview, I need to create an email sequence. Okay, I hope they have provided me the email sequence. Let's see if they have. Let's minimize all these. Come to this plan. Yeah, here you go. Module 8 email. You see that? Come here, and this is our first email. I will open this. Look, they've already provided everything. I will just copy the subject line for the first email, and I will paste it over here. Okay, then I will try the same thing. Okay, in email body, they have provided us with the body as well. Okay, the first thing is like the welcome email, so I will not use this one. Okay, let's cancel this because we have already sent the welcome and the delivery email, right? So we'll go back here and choose email 2. Okay, so I will use this subject line, the secret to achieve a healthy body. Copy this, now paste this in the subject line, go down Again, go back to your text editor, and I will copy the body they have given to us and paste it over here. And they also added like personalization. I will do that. Hey, first name, comma, and the body. Okay. Last, if you want, you can add your signature. Okay. Then you need to click on send status and change it to active and click on done. So we have created our first email chain. Okay, not email chain, the first email inside the email chain. Then okay, I haven't choose the trigger or what. Let me choose the trigger once again. I will choose the category as IFS, select tag as only lead magnet. Okay, now click on save once again. Okay, I need to come here and click on edit, update. Okay, we have just created our first email. Then what I will do, I will let me drag myself over here and I will add a time delay. Okay, right after the previous day, wait a number of days, wait a specific date. Okay, I will say a wait number of days, like I want to wait for 1 day and 0 hours. Let me drag myself over here now. Okay, allow time at any time of the day or between, let's say at any time of the day, and all days are allowed. Okay, so I'm using a wait of only 1 day. Okay, now come down, change this to active and click on done. Now I've added a 1 day delay. Okay, then again I need to click on send email and I will send my email number 2. Okay, so for that again I will go here and I will choose email 3. So this is my email 3. I will copy the subject line. Let me close this. Come to Groove Mail. I will choose sender as Arpandas and this will be my email 2. Okay, subject line, I will paste the subject line, go down in the message part, I will go to the text editor and I will copy the body they has provided us with. Okay, come to Groove Mail and paste the entire thing. We'll just change the signature. Okay, I would rather say open from IFS. Change this to active and click on done. Now we have added our 2 emails. Okay, I think you can see it, right? We have added 2 emails in our email sequence. Now again I need to click on time delay and wait a number of days and change this again to 1 and again click on done. So it's need to follow a sequence like first email a delay of 1 day, again second email again a delay of 1 day, and like this you need to carry on and create your 5 or 6 mail sequence. Okay, the sequence is going to you. Why should I use the sequence? The sequence I will use in order to persuade my audience who has just opted in for my lead magnet and I want to persuade them so they will buy my core offer or anything like upsell will also do, or they will buy my entire package. Okay, that is why I need to create a series of emails. So I have shown you like how to do this. I have just created this email 1 time delay, email 2 time delay, and I'm not doing it anymore. So I hope you got understand like how it should be done. Like this way you need to set up your email chain and click on save. So now we can say that we have completed our two sequence. The first one is for welcome plus delivery of a lead magnet, and the second one is for upsell to our core or our OTO1 product. Okay. Now let me show you the mind map. We have completed this sequence part also. Now we are left with only create automations. Okay. Let's go to Groove Mill and select on automations. Click on automations once again, and I have already have this automation, just forget about it. Click on new automation, and here you need to give a name. Okay, like I want to create an automation for users who has just opted in for my lead magnet. Okay, so I will write IFS only lead magnet trigger automation. Okay, then I need to select a trigger, like lead subscribers to a list, lead unsubscribe from a list, lead is assigned to a tag, like this. So what I'm doing, I'm having a separate products in my product funnel. So when my audience purchases a product, maybe it's a lead magnet or say my core offering or OTO, on basis of that, I'm going to send him the mail and deliver the product. Okay. So for that, I will select purchase the product. Okay. Then I have to select the funnel, and product is not showing me anything. I don't know why. Yeah, it's immune food solution lead magnet. Okay. Now this was the name of the funnel. Now click on the product. I have three products with me, and let me choose the lead magnet. And price point, I've added only one price point, so click it and click on add. Okay, then you will find this thing. So when someone, it's like we have chosen the trigger, and which says that we will send, the automation will say like we will do the following thing if someone purchased our lead magnet or opted our lead magnet. Okay, then what we will do, we will come here, and here you have many options like subscribe to list, add a tag, remove a tag. Okay, the first thing which I will do is add a tag. Okay, and select a category. I will choose IFS, and I will select my tag, which is IFS only lead magnet. I will click on add button. Okay, so it says that if, okay, my automation says if a customer purchases immune food solution lead magnet, okay, that means if it has opted only for our lead magnet, then what we need to do, step one, we need to add a tag which says IFS only lead magnet. Then I can also create another task over here, like select an action, and I will do is not a membership, subscribe to sequence. Okay, I will click on subscribe to sequence and select the sequence. I will do like which sequence you need to follow for this person. Okay, suppose that audience comes opted in for lead magnet, then what we are doing, we are setting a sticky note to him, like a tag, like only lead magnet tag. Then on getting a lead magnet tag, what I need to do, and now I need to take that person and keep him in a sequence. Okay, so what is the sequence I should choose? I will choose welcome plus delivery, and then click on add, and I will also choose my another sequence that is for your promotional part, but not now only. Okay, so let the person come, gets his lead, let him get his lead magnet, let him get the tag which says only lead magnet, then let me give the product, okay, with the welcome email, then just wait for 1 or 2 days, then I will deliver my promotional emails. Okay, so right now I'm not choosing that sequence. Let me choose another thing, that is subscribe to list, and I will select that list IFS all. Okay, click on add. These are the three conditions which we are going to do on basis of this if part. Okay, so then click on save. Now guys, our automation is ready. Okay, now here you will find the play button. You need to click it over here to make it live. So let me click. Guys, our automation for lead magnet is live now. So I hope you understood the concept of email fulfillment. So guys, let me test out the entire process. Let me go to the home page first. Okay, and click on download now. Suppose my audience comes and clicks on download now button and he needs to fill this form. Let me write name, last name, and I need an email ID, guys. Let me check which is the email ID I have. Oh my god, I need to use this. Okay, anyways. Okay, I will come back to GrooveMail and not GrooveMail onto my this page, and I will leave this email ID gmartweb@gmail.com and go down, click on continue to address. Now you need to fill out this random things. Fill these out. Select random country and a state. Click on continue confirmation. Click on get free access. So guys, now I'm going to be redirected to the core offering page, and suppose my target audience don't feel like going with the core offer, he clicks on no thanks, so he will be again redirected back to the lead magnet thank you page. Okay, so guys, here we have used the thank you fulfillment. So you can use the thank you fulfillment and email fulfillment all together if you want to, or else if you think of only using the email fulfillment, then you should remove this download now button, and here instead of that, you need to write that your ebook is ready and will be delivered to your email ID. Go check out your email, okay? Like this. So now when someone comes to this page, clicks on download now, he should be able to see the ebook because we're using two things together. Now let me go back to my GrooveMail and let me click on email marketing. Let me see my list. Okay, leads as well. Okay, now let me go to this one. Okay, this is that one which I received for purchasing the lead magnet. Let me come here. It takes some time to deliver the email. See if I have received anything in my spam or not. No, nothing so far. Here you see, guys. Here we go. So this is the email which we received, guys. Like, hi Appa, look the way we created that. Welcome to IFS membership. We are glad to have you in our platform. Surprise, surprise. Click here to download your ebook on IFS solution. Now, if someone clicks here, he will be able to download the ebook. This is how email fulfillment works, guys. So you know what happened till right now. So when my audience comes to my thank you lead magnet page after being redirected from the core offering, he clicks when he's redirected to our lead magnet thank you page, then what happened? You remember we have created our automation. Like when, let me show you that first. Come to my automation. So here was our automation. Okay, let me click on this edit so you can understand it better. It says when your customer, okay, it says select a trigger. You need to select a trigger when your customer comes in and purchases a product, a lead magnet product. Okay, so here I have used an example where I purchased our lead magnet product. Then what will happen? Then three steps is going to happen. Number one, a tag which says IFS only lead magnet. That gets added to my customer. Number two, he will be subscribed to my list. Number three, he will be receiving an email, not receiving an email, I would rather say that he will be subscribed to a sequence which is IFS welcome plus delivery. Okay, now three things is going to happen now. Number one, I'm revising it once again for you. I may sound repetitive, but it's good, I think. So number one, he will be given a tag. Number two, he will be subscribed to our list which is for everybody. Number three, he will be subscribed to a sequence which says IFS welcome plus delivery. Now, three things are going to happen. Let me check everything. Okay, let's go to leads, go to list first, and see. Not here. I would rather go to where is it? Yeah, campaigns and sequences. So here was our sequence IFS welcome plus delivery. So I will click here, click on edit, click on update. Now in this sequence, see here's a tag. I'll click on edit. So when a lead is assigned a tag IFS only LM, okay. So my customer gets a tag, then only he will receive an email right here, welcome plus delivery email, okay, which says, let's click it. Let's click on this email. Why it's not working? Okay, I need to click here and click on edit. So once my audience gets tagged, he will receive this email, which is, hi, first name, welcome to IFS membership. We are glad to have you in our platform. Surprise, surprise, click here to download your ebook. So that's the mail which I received, guys. Look at it. Hi, Appa. This is the personalization. Welcome to IFS membership. We are glad to have you in our platform. Surprise, surprise. Click here to download your ebook. Okay. This is the process which has occurred, and entire thing happened on automation. You don't have to see like who has purchased my product, uh, add that email ID and deliver it to him again. So I want everything to happen autopilot, and this is the way you can do your business like a pro, like automation thing. Okay, you can do everything like a pro with the help of automation nowadays. So I hope you understood how the email fulfillment works. And guys, this is much more powerful than what we have seen previously, which is thank you fulfillment. This is much more secured, okay? Because you are delivering the product to their email IDs, okay? Not on random platform like here is the link given, like anyone comes to that link and will be able to access that link. We don't want that, right? We don't want our products to be delivered to each and everybody, to the whole world. We want our product to be delivered to only those people who has opted for it or who has purchased for it, right? So I would rather say that email fulfillment is a better option than thank you fulfillment. Now I will tell you all about membership fulfillment now. Okay, let's go to our mind map and look at membership fulfillment. Guys, this is a long procedure. I know the video is getting long because I need to cover a lot amount of topics in this video. So let's talk about membership fulfillment. So guys, in membership fulfillment, you need to carry out these steps. Number one is you need to create a membership platform, then followed by you need to create your content, then you need to add on some upgrade options and set up your access levels, and you need to set up your fulfillment in GrooveCell, and finally prepare for our affiliate promotion. Okay, I will not tell you about the affiliate promotion now, but I will tell you this later in my next video, which will be a affiliate setup. Okay, so let me show you the membership fulfillment now. Now, if you ask me which is the one I like the most, I will say membership fulfillment. Why? Let me show you. Because email, okay, I would say like email fulfillment is also very good. Okay, it's very powerful and it's secure as well. Now, let's exit from here. I'm clicking on this leads and list every time. Guys, look, in leads, the person which I have added just right now, Appadas, and email at digimartweb.com has been added. Okay, so you can see the name Appa and the email ID is digimartweb. So he has been added to our lead section. Okay, guys. So now, guys, I'm going to show you like how Groove membership works. And so far, let me show you this once again. So far, we have worked with Groove pages, Groove sell. Groove affiliate is not for our work. We will cover it later. And we have worked with Groove mail also. Now we will show you like Groove member and Groove video. Okay. And Groove cart is actually used for creating your Shopify or e-commerce stores. Okay. That's not needed. So now I will go to Groove member. And then click on content and click on membership. So far I have one membership which is Groovology. Now you can add another membership, like click on new membership, and let's say let me write IFS. Okay, and let me choose a subdomain as well as IFS only. Okay, and make sure that when you choose a subdomain there should not be any spaces or special characters and numbers. Okay, it should be only alphabets. Okay, click on I've chosen IFS. Now click on create membership. Okay, this subdomain is already taken, so I need to choose something else. So let's choose IFS or not IFS all. Okay, click on create membership. Okay, this is also taken, guys. So I need to use something else. Let's say IFS 1. Is it taken or not? I think alphanumeric is allowed. Oh, I think it's going to work, guys. Wait, it's loading. I think it's going to work now. So let me open another tab. Let me close all these. Okay. Let me close all these. It's loading. So I will open another funnels tab. I will click on login. It's still loading, guys. I don't know what happened. Let me come here and click on membership. Then click on content, membership. Here we goes. Here we go, guys. Our membership is ready. I don't know why it's not working. Let's close this. Okay. Let me come here. Our membership is ready, which is IFS. I will come and click on actions and I will choose edit. Okay. Now again I need to write the description. I would say IFS, which stands for Immune Food Solution. And sales page, you need to give a URL. I'll rather choose my website over here. Jeez. Okay, we'll click on save and next. Now here is the option to add instructor. Okay, I've already added myself, but if you want to add any other instructor, you can click on this create new instructor. Then you have to give a name. Let's say, and here you need to fill out some description about your instructor. Let's say digital marketer and you can add the image of instructor and then click on create. I'm not creating any because I already created myself as an instructor over here. I will choose myself and then click on save and next. Now guys, this is the most important part. Okay, so far I'm going to show you the mind map. I've created the membership platform. Now this is this step, okay, which is add content. Here I need to add content, so I will click here to open builder. So guys, this is how our membership platform would look like. So for now I will click on outline. Okay, and this is our home page. Okay, and now suppose you want to have, I mean, I want to look first. I need to design my home page. Okay, suppose I will come and click on this add button, and here you will find everything which you need to design. Suppose I'm going to have a YouTube video. I will drag and place it over here, and then if I want some text, I will drag and over it here also, or I can drag it down as well. Okay, this is the thing you can do. Okay, then if you, now this is our home page. Okay, so when someone comes to our membership, he will see this home page. Now I need to create categories and subcategories. Okay, I will explain you. So for that I will click on outline, and here is a pink plus button. You need to click on this and you need to add a category. Okay, so what I mean by category, I would say, like, I have three products, right? One is freebie, which is a lead magnet, a core offering, and an OTO product. So I will create a three category. Okay, so let the first category be IFS LM, it stands for lead magnet. Click on add category. So guys, I've just added um, IFSLM as my first category, and in the subcategory you can add, like, let's say click on this plus button, let's add a post, like, okay, I'll show you one more, yeah, once again, you might get confused. Okay guys, this is our home page and this is our IFS lead magnet. Okay, in this IFS lead magnet, we can consider IFS lead magnet as our, say, module 1. Inside module 1, you need to have many lessons, right? Similarly, in IFS lead magnet, I need to have the things or lessons or a video or say ebooks related to only that IFS lead magnet only. So in my IFS lead magnet, I will choose a subcategory. Let's say I will rename it to, say, access your lead magnet. Okay, then click on rename. So my category is IFS lead magnet. Then a subcategory will look like access your lead magnet, and within this subcategory I will create my content. So I will click on this plus icon and post are similar to your videos or your ebook. Okay, so I will create a post about an ebook which says, say, add a post like download your ebook. Okay, now here you have option like start from scratch, video or text. I will click on start from scratch and click on add post. Now guys, as you see in my IFS lead magnet, there is a subcategory which is access your lead magnet. So when I will click on access your lead magnet, I need to explain my customer what do I mean by access your lead magnet. So I will try to keep some text and say, like, what you will get. I'm just writing this for you to understand what you will get inside this package. Okay, I need to list out, like, write the points like 1, 2, 3. Okay, like this. Then if someone clicks on this, okay, yeah, now suppose, so let me click over here and someone clicks on is download your ebook. Okay, so in this case I need to provide my ebook as a fulfillment, as to deliver my product. Okay, for that I will click on this add button, and I would rather have my video and explain my user about the importance and what this ebook is all about, what are the modules they have. So I will just put a random video of myself over here, and I will try to keep a button which is here, drag it, paste it over here, drag it over here, and let's click on configure and write download your ebook. Okay, then you need to link to, you need to click on this and click on URL, and here I need to provide the same URL which I have to get it from my Google Drive. Okay, so I hope this is my Google Drive, guys. I'll copy this link. I hope this link will work. Okay, let's go back and paste it over here, but generally I will rather go to my Google Drive and copy the link as I've showed you. Okay, let me drag myself over here and then click on update. Okay, I hope it is updated. Okay, the next thing which I want to do is again click on outline, and I will add another post. Okay, for that I will click on this subcategory and add a post. Now, so guys, in this case it's the lead magnet. Okay, so we are just providing the ebook, but I would try to upsell to our core offering as well as our OTO one. So you can do that without paying a single penny on ads. Okay, just by creating a post like I'm showing you how. Let's say IFS video bundle. So this is for the OTO, right? Let me show you for the core offering. Okay, let's say IFS core. So this is what I want me to see the thing, what it was all about. I mean, let's go back. Let me check the core offer. Its secret blueprint reveals the key to increase your longevity. Okay, I will copy this entire thing. Okay, and come over here, and I would write IFS, or rather I will paste this. It's too long, so I would say secret blueprint to increase your longevity. Okay, and I will click on add, start from scratch and add to post. Okay, now over here I will again create another video and would try to explain the importance of this core offering. Okay, so I will click on add, and I will choose my video. Suppose I made a YouTube video or a Vimeo video. You need to drag and paste your video over here, and here I will write some text explaining. Okay, or above or anywhere near. Okay, I will write some text and explain about this product, and then I will use another button. Okay, I will use another button, and we'll click on this button and then click on spacing. I will add some margin. I don't know why it's not working. Guys, the margin is not working. Let me try the padding thing. Okay, let's make it like this, and come here, click on enter thrice. Now it's looking good. Now here I will click over here and I will click on configure. And here, instead of download your ebook, I will write get access to, say, our core offering. Okay, what's the name of the core offering? Secret blueprint. Okay, blueprint now. Now in this URL, okay, I need to put the URL, either two things, okay, either you can put the URL of your core offering sales page or your checkout page directly. Okay, but I would suggest you that since your user has come to your lead magnet thank you page, by this I mean that he has already seen our core offering page, right? So there is no need to again send him to the core offering sales page. It's better if you just redirect him to our checkout page. So I will go to let me log in and create another tab, and now let me go to Groove pages, or I will go to Groove Sale rather. Click on Product Funnels, then click on Action Manage Products, as I have 3 products. Okay, so I'm doing this for core offer. I will come here, click on this card button, single price multi-step, click on next and get this link, guys. Copy this link, okay, come to your Groove members and paste the link over here. Okay, so I directly want to redirect to not my sales page but to my checkout page directly. Then I will click on update. So guys, so what I have done, I have created a single category which is all about IFS lead magnet. Within this category, I have created a subcategory which says access your lead magnet. Then within that subcategory, I have created a two content. Okay, I would rather say two posts. The first is all about like downloading your ebook, and I provided the link to that ebook. And secondly, I tried to upsell to my core offering. And similarly, I will make another post and try to upsell it to my OTO1 offer. Okay, and then I will create another category. So it is updated. Let me check it once again. Come to outline. Okay, and let's click on download your ebook. Yeah, everything is updated, guys. So guys, everything you see over here comes and falls under this IFS lead magnet. So by this I mean the only the audience would be able to see this who have just opted in for lead magnet. Now let's create another two categories like this only. Okay, which is, let's say, IFS lead magnet plus core offer. Okay, so by this I mean my audience has opted in for lead magnet as well as purchased the core offer, but not the upsell product. Okay, and I would say add category, and again in the subcategory you need to write and just follow the same procedure. I would not show you everything over here because I have explained it in this the first case. So I would, let me track myself, click on these three dots, rename, and let's say access the key, access the blueprint, right? Let's say click on rename. Okay, now in this I need to add few posts. The first post is going to be like, remember, if you remember in the core offering, let me show you the sales page. Okay, this is the core offer. In the core offering, we provided them with the main core offer, I mean the product, main core product, as well as some bonuses, if you remember, the checklist and mind map. So we would rather do is we would keep a three posts here. Okay, we will create 4 posts here. One for the core offer by delivering your core offering. Number 2 will be your delivering your 2 bonuses. Okay, one is checklist, another is the mind map. And the last post which we are going to create is going to tell them, like, persuade them to purchase our OTO offering. Okay, so let me create one which is let's say the secret blueprint is here. Okay, and again you need to click on add post, and you need to design this page. I'm not showing you like how you need to design because you know everything, guys. If you click on this plus button, you will find heading, videos, link box, everything out there. So I'm not showing you anything, but I want to show you one more thing. Like, let me go to Groove Video, because I will show you the importance of Groove Video in this case as well. I will click on this beta icon, then click on Groove Video. See guys, I have already uploaded my videos in this case inside Groove Video. So okay, so let me show you like how to upload. You need to click on add new video, and you need to select your file from your computer or from YouTube or any other URL. Okay, so I'm not doing that now. I'm just selecting a video. Let's say I need to select this one, so I will click on this embed button, copy this link, go back to Groove Member, and I will select this code embed, drag and drop it over here, then click on code embed, select this gear icon and paste your embedded code over here, and then finally click on save. Now you will see the video which I have embedded from Groove Video will be available over here. Okay, this is the way you can also use Groove videos and embed the video from there, and you can use it inside the Groove member. So guys, so far we have used Groove pages, Groove cell, Groove membership, Groove mail, and now finally Groove video. Okay, so I'm not going to show you like how you need to design it, as you already know. I will click on outline. Okay, like secret blueprint. Then I will add another things, like I will click on this subcategory and add, say, bonus one, the checklist. Okay. Then I will click on this add post, and similarly, okay, let me drag myself. So guys, I have dragged myself right here again. So guys, here I can give them my bonus offering, which is the checklist. So I will click here, and for checklist they have provided us with, I hope they have provided us a checklist PDF, I guess. So what will I do? I will just click on this add button, drag this heading and say your IFS checklist bonus is here. Or I would say click here to download. Okay. Click here, download your IFS checklist bonus. Okay, let me cut this part and make this center aligned, and I will select this portion, click on this chain icon, and I will again upload my checklist in the similar manner in the Google Drive and copy that URL and paste it over here. So I'm not showing you like this again over here. So this is the way you need to do it, and then again we'll click on this outline, and we are going to deliver another bonus, which is our mind map. I will click over here, create a post which says bonus to mind map, and then click on add a post. And similarly we will create the content for this mind map as well. So now I will create another category which is going to be for the complete purchaser, okay, who has bought our complete package. So I will click on this pink plus button, and the category name I will write IFS complete. Okay, click on add category, And in the subcategory I would say similarly, okay, not like this, let's cross this thing. Okay, I will click on outline, go down, I would rename this to access the video bundle, click on rename. And similarly I will create several posts, okay, for this category as well. So let's say video 1, let's click on video with text and click on add post. Okay, so similarly I would create many videos like this. I'll show you another, which is say video 2, again add post. So this is the way we will create our content for our membership. Okay, then after you've finished completing, like designing all the contents and designing the categories and subcategories, you need to click on save, and then click on, okay, just cross this thing and click on exit. Again I have to come here and click on edit, click on save and next. As I've chosen my instructor, click on save and next. I have completed this building part, means the content part, and then click on save and next. Now here is the comment tab. Now it's up to you if you want to enable comments for your products. It's up to you. If you want to enable comments, then you need to toggle on each and everything. Okay, like if you want like only the lead magnet opt-in users will able to comment, then I will only toggle on these things. Okay, and if you want that all your users can feel free to add comments, then you need to switch on all of these. Okay, then you need to click on save and next. Now this is the access levels, guys. This is very important. Here we need to have access levels. Okay, so let me show you like how to do it. Let me click on this edit icon. This is standard. Let's change it to only lead magnet. Okay, click on save. So guys, so here we will create 3 access level. The first one is only lead magnet. By this I mean the person who has just opted in for only lead magnet will be able to see only our lead magnet things, okay, not everything. So I will go down, so he will be able to access my home and IFS LM, okay, only this lead magnet things, not all of these. Okay. Now similarly, I will create another access level by clicking on this plus icon, and let's write lead magnet plus core offer. Okay. Click on save. So according to this access level, okay, these are gone. I again need to click on these. Okay. So according to this level 2, the person who has purchased for my core offer as well as opted in for my lead magnet will be able to see all the things related to only lead magnet as well as all the things related to lead magnet plus core offering. So I will select all these on. Okay, then again I need to click on this plus icon and let's create another access level which is for complete, means he has opted in for a lead magnet, purchase a core offering and our upsell product. Click on save. I don't know why these things are disappearing, so again I need to select these. Okay, so for only lead magnet he will get the access to only lead magnet. For core offering plus lead magnet he will get the access to lead magnet stuff as well as these, and my last level of access, which is the complete, so he will get access to everything. Okay, so now if you want, you can change this to instant access. To you will find many other options like instant access, like if someone comes in and register for your membership, he will instantly get an access. Drip feed access is like how many, after how many days he's going to get the access. Okay, and access for a specific date, by the name you can understand that it means that access to the post will be available from after a certain date. Okay, so for now let's click on instant access and click on update. I don't know why everything is going again. I need to select all these. Okay, let me do it once again. I don't know why this is happening. Okay, not this. Yeah, and for a third level he needs access to everything. So we're done with the access level settings. Click on save and next. Now this is a sending welcome message, and there are two options till now. One is send a default welcome email, another is don't send a welcome email. I would recommend you to send a default welcome email. Okay, then click on save and next. And lastly, here is the finish button. Here you will find three different memberships. Okay, one is for only lead magnet, the second is for lead magnet plus core offer, and third is for complete registration. Okay, these are the registrations or sign up URLs for your memberships. Let me show you one. If I if I copy this link, okay, and let me paste this in the browser. Now there will be a form for registering. Okay, so I have just use this link. Okay, this is for only lead magnet, so the users who have just opted in only for the lead magnet will be able to register here. So let me just write a name, Shani. Email say shani.fish@gmail.com, and let's write anything in password. Oh, sorry, repeated 123 in password, and click on confirm password. Click on register. Now once a person logs in, he will find here is the mentor, which I have already added myself. Now, since this person has only opted in for lead magnet, so he or she will be able to access the things only related to lead magnet. See, IFS lead magnet. So she can access all these stuffs, okay? Like everything related to lead magnet. But she cannot access anything related to IFS complete and IFS core offers. See, these are all locked for her. Okay. Now, if I have chosen, let me show you another example. Now, let me choose for complete. I'll copy this link and let's say I paste it in another tab. Okay. Okay, I need to log out. Okay. See, guys, you have just created a membership login logout platform. Okay. So I will log out from here, else it will not open. Now I again paste the link, and here is our registration form again. Now suppose I write my name over here. Sorry, this is mail ID. Let's say arpandasspeaks@gmail.com. Password is say 123. Confirm password 123. Click on register. Now I have used a complete package user. Okay, so this person has got everything. Now you see he got access to every category, guys. IFS complete to IFS lead magnet plus core offer, as well as IFS lead magnet. Now if he wants, he can sign out from here as well, log out. And again, if he wants to log in, he needs to provide his email ID and his password in order to log in to his membership area. So guys, I hope you understand like how this membership fulfillment works, and it is the most secured out of all three. I would rather say that this is the best fulfillment technique. Now let me show you one more last step which I haven't told you on that day. So let me come here. Let me close this and go to Groove Home and click on Groove Products. Okay, I'll click on Manage Products. Let's choose our product funnel. Click on Actions and Manage Products. Now let's select a lead magnet and let's go to fulfillment. Remember, we haven't spoke anything about this fulfillment. So now you can add a new membership, guys. If you click here, you can select a membership. So we have just created IFS, so I will click on IFS, and here you can select the access level as well. Okay, so this is, I'm making the fulfillment for only lead magnet, so I will choose only lead magnet. Okay, then click on add. So in like this manner, I will be able to add fulfillments in my product funnel as well. So I will click on save and exit from here. Again, in a similar manner, I will come to core offer, click on this edit, come to fulfillment tabs, click on add new membership and select our membership and select the access level. Like if a person buys the core offer, so he will get the access to our lead magnet plus core offer. Click on add, click on save, exit, and let's do the last thing, which is the OTO. Click on edit, click on fulfillment tab, add new membership, select your membership over here, IFS, and for OTO, by this I mean our audience has purchased the lead magnet, core offer, as well as our upsell product. So he needs to get the complete access. So I'll click on add, click on save, and exit. So guys, we have covered the membership fulfillment for now. So in this video, I have explained what is fulfillment and what are the various types of fulfillment, and I've shown you a demo like how to use your thank you fulfillment, email fulfillment, and membership fulfillment. And if you ask me which one is the best, I would say membership fulfillment is the best, because here you are provided with your username and password, which is much more secure compared to your email and thank you fulfillment. But email fulfillment also works very well, and the thank you fulfillment is generally for the beginners who just starts to like deliver you're in a beginner stage, or like you have just started your this part of your business, so you can start with your thank you fulfillment, and then I would rather tell you like you need to move on to your email and finally to your membership fulfillment. So I hope you got to know like everything about your fulfillment part, and if you have any doubt, feel free to comment down below or ask me in my Facebook group. Okay, so till then, happy learnings. Thank you. Bye bye.